Tay's in the back, and we're heading out on the rest of our adventure. So, well, most of it. I think I'm doing this in thirds. But anyway, so we're heading out. It's almost 2 weeks since we came home accidentally. And yeah, so we're going to hit the road. Well, everything's set up. It took a bit longer than I thought. The reason there's a moving blanket over the front of my car is because at night, if I open the back or any of the doors, the headlights come on even though I've got most of the lights shut off. So to be courteous to other people, yeah, I shut them off that way. I cover them. But anyway, this is my site. I do have electric and I've got water. Not sure if I'll use the fire pit because I think there might be a burn ban on. It's very, very windy and the ground is quite dry. But yeah, here's my nest. Put one side panel on. Hey Tay, what you doing? What you doing? Baby, hello. And I've shown this before in previous videos, but yeah, so that's my little heater for inside the car so that we don't freeze to death because it's going to get really cold tonight. And you can't see inside the car. Here's my bed and my little generator so that I can charge my phone and my laptop. Tay, you don't look happy. Why don't you look happy, baby? This afternoon when I was setting up, the Easy Up looked like it wanted to blow away, so I do have it staked down in 2 different ways. I also put a side panel up and my Christmas lights, of course. And what this is here is, that's my roll of paper towels and my trash bag. I also have a light so that if I get up at 4:30 in the morning, which Taylor tells me I have to, I can make coffee and it's not going to be stark dark. Anyway, so yeah, this is what it looks like. Another thing that I did, I'm gonna zoom out, is I've got a blanket on the ground. because I don't want to take every leaf on earth into the back of the car. It actually is under the tailgate, which I'll show you. You watching me? Being watched. But anyway, so that helps keep the leaves out of the car. So getting ready for bed. All my clothes is in a waterproof dry bag. Obviously, it's a waterproof dry bag. But anyway, so that's what I do. Yeah, I know it's out of focus. And of course, when you get old, you get all kinds of drugs that you have to take that are, unfortunately, something that has to happen. But yeah, we put those in a dry box too, so the dog can't get to them. And they're also where I know they are. But yep, getting ready. doing an experiment with some cooking logs that are at like the Dollar General and Lowe's. But let's see how they work. Alright, well, I'm gonna make a small stew with hornet. I'm gonna keep this pretty short. No, I don't have my glasses on. I can see far, I just can't see close. So anyway, cutting my vacation down again because rain is not my favorite thing to be in. If you saw my camping in June or July, yeah, it was pretty much rain, and right now it's doing it again. So, sorry, I gotta keep my eyes on the road. Anyway, yeah, so we're heading out. Yep, this is what coming home looks like. Yeah, everything is just kind of thrown everywhere, so I can sort it out.